Oh man, the first meal I ever cooked was probably microwaving hot dogs until they exploded. I did a lot of that as a kid. My name is Jay, and I'm a recipe developer at HelloFresh. I started cooking in restaurant kitchens when I was a teenager. Working in a fine dining restaurant really turned my world upside down. Before then, I used to watch a show on TV called Great Chefs, and I thought that that's what fine dining was. You know, a chef in like very clean whites, and like everything is just like laid out for you, and everything is very slow and clean. And then I got a job, and it was like, you know, a sweaty room with pirates running around, and I loved it. I ended up having like a 20-year career in restaurants. I had my own restaurant for 7 years in Bed-Stuy, Brooklyn. I opened it with my wife. During the pandemic, we decided to prioritize being married as opposed to business partners. Stepping away from restaurants, I knew I wanted to still be around food, but also be home for dinner. So HelloFresh and recipe development was a great fit. If it's just for me something special, I really like sandwiches. So I'll make a very nice sandwich. Usually it involves bacon. A nice bacon sandwich, maybe it's like a fried egg or something on it. I feel like I've been frying a lot of chicken at home, so we've been eating some fried chicken sandwiches at home. One of my favorite recipes I've developed for HelloFresh is a spicy miso rigatoni with bacon, surprise. Growing up in a Chinese culture and growing up here in an American culture, my personal style of cooking is very mishmashy. Obviously, miso is a Japanese ingredient, and rigatoni is obviously Italian. It's fun to kind of like mash those cultures together.